In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool, and knowing how to manage workspaces effectively is crucial for keeping everything organized and streamlined. At times, you might need to delete a workspace. Perhaps it's no longer needed, or you're consolidating different areas of work. Whatever the reason, follow these steps to delete a workspace safely and efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once there, log in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. If you're already logged in, perfect, you can jump straight in. Now that you're on your dashboard, look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Workspace profile icon located above your other options. Click on this icon to open the Workspace settings. This area is where you can manage all aspects of your workspace, including any administrative tasks like deletion. Once you've clicked the Workspace profile icon, the next step is to access the settings. You will find a Settings option within the menu. Click it to proceed. This section is vital as it houses all the critical controls for managing your workspace, from customization to more significant changes such as deletion. Next, you need to locate the Delete Workspace option within the settings. Click on this to start the deletion process. It's essential to note that this step is irreversible, so make sure that you truly want to delete this workspace. Consider any important data that might need to be backed up or transferred before proceeding. Finally, to confirm deletion, you'll be prompted to type in the name of the workspace you intend to delete. This step acts as a safety measure to ensure you are deleting the correct workspace. Carefully enter the workspace name, and once you've confirmed everything is correct, click the delete button. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in ClickUp. Just remember, once a workspace is gone, it's gone for good. Always double check which workspace you're deleting and ensure you've backed up any necessary files or data. As a last tip, consider exporting any critical information before you proceed with deletion. Doing so could save you potential headaches down the road. Whether you're streamlining operations or decluttering your digital space, managing workspaces efficiently can make a significant difference in your workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.